Good morning from snowy Montreal. It's day 5 or 6 that we are here, and yeah, that means it's almost time for me to go back home to Boston. Yeah, I just thought I would show you my outfit. It's just a really simple shirt and sweater. Sweaters are a must here. And my super thick Primark fleeced legging. How gorgeous my pose is. You see the fleece? This is very necessary here, okay? Our only transportation here is walking. Sometimes an hour, sometimes half an hour. And by that time, I'll be like, I can't feel my hands, I can't feel my feet, I can't feel anything. Yeah. So usually what we do, yeah, to save money is to, whenever you feel you're too cold, just go into a store, warm up, and then walk again. Yeah, that's how you save money. Like, the bus fares here are crazy expensive, much more expensive than back home. Yeah, that's how you travel cheaply, I guess. Yeah. Today we are planning to do a lot of outdoor activities such as museums, thrift shopping, eat a lot of food. Whole team quiche, German waffle, the Japanese, Korean fusion place I want to try. So many foods I want to try. That's the plan for today. Na 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 na. It's raining and cold. That one, yeah. That one. Yay, finally. My shoes are wet. Oh. That looks very nice. eating ice cream
I guess the question
at
really is,
0 Celsius degree.
store-wide savings on great-looking styles for your
It's the best thing ever.
Lazy Boy Furniture Gallery.